guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how you can develop a page, a web page on a WordPress. In my previous video I talk about how you can install WordPress on a local server that you will be acting as if you are working on a live server. So today I'll be talking about pages, and this is a website that has nothing in there. If you click here to see the website, you see that there is nothing in there. Do you think, or have you ever think how this thing has been coming up? It is just a sample page. It's just a page, nothing. It has nothing in here. So let's now go there and create a page now. So we click on a page, you'll see that this is the sample page that you've been seeing. If you click here to see, you see this is the sample page. So we now want to create, this is the sample page. So that one is privacy page. See, this is the sample page that you are seeing. So let's create our own page. When you create an own page, you click on add new to click, then you give a page. Let's say our page is home. Then you can publish or you can preview. Let's preview this page and see how it looks like. See, now it's appear as home page. So let's go back to our home page. As you are developing and designing the home page, what do you want to develop? What do you want to design on the home page? So I'll be designing a product page that we talk about products. I can do the page in I can develop a page in a two form, but let me use the pattern easiest way to do that. You can use this editor called Gutenberg block editor. It is an inbuilt editor that comes with WordPress. So I'll click on banner, and you click on banner, you scroll down to see or to select the types of or the kind of banner you want to choose or you want your own page to look like. I'll be choosing this one. I click on this one, you drag it up, drag up. So drag up. Yeah, so this is the banner. Then let me change the picture here. I can replace the picture to my own picture. I've already added some pictures here in the media so that it will be easier for me to pick. And if you want to do that, I'll show you how to do that. And also let me change this one to t-shirt. Then also, if you want to edit a button on the Gutenberg block editor, you click on the button, then you see a sign like this where you can add a link to the button where you want the next where you want this button to go to, or to show you the next page or next action. So this is what I just did now. Let me add another section. Let me say I want to add heading. Let me scroll down, or let me say let me add text that will be talking about my my product. I click on text, I click on the section here. We have different types of section that you can add. You can pick anyone to add. So I'll pick that one to add to my page. Let me remove this one. Click here, and you click here, you can add image. I will be adding picture, another standard here. Don't forget that I will design for a page for a product. So this one is the new product. I will call this one, sorry, I think I've done something wrong here. the page, preview, yeah, so edit page, yeah. So sorry for that, I mistyped something. So let me add picture, add the picture back, put the picture here, can give it a name, let's say new product, then you can write about the product here, write everything you want. That is how you can design a page on WordPress using WordPress. But if you have another page that you've already designed with your own code, which is your PHP, JavaScript, or HTML, CSS, there's a way you can add that page to the WordPress. So I'll be showing you, I'll be making a video on that as well. So let's publish this one. Let's preview. You see, we are coming up with a page now. So that is how you can add a page to your WordPress website. A simple way to add a page, a simple way to come up with a page, or to come up with something that you really want. So we make use of watermark block editor here, and we make use of a page menu. So a page menu. I think we've previewed this one. So let's now go back to our own page. Our own dashboard, WordPress dashboard. So this is the page that we created. This is the page that has been there before. So you can preview the page now. See how the page look like. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Click on the like button, share the video, comment on comment section, tell me what you want me to come up with, the video you want to see, the topic you want me to talk about. I will be talking about any topic you comment on the section. Thank you guys. Click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you guys so much.